Hello and welcome to the Crypto City. So we have another important update for you guys. So as you can see, this was a bull flag resistance, and if I just restructure it, so this was a bull flag resistance, and you can see how perfectly it has broken it out and hit this basically liquidity zone. So which we were telling you in our last few videos. All right. So this is happening and this has actually happened. And one more thing that we have told you that it will eventually go and make new all-time high before it could actually do this, but this is what we have told you. But you see this bill, you see this just minute difference here. So this is the thing, right? And and after that you see this it has been going down. So we are looking at things, different things. So right now Bitcoin price can actually come to it can actually test this support which was a resistance previously. It could actually test this, and as we have told you, if doesn't stop at this point, then this green zone, this blue line, or eventually this green zone will be the target for taking the next support. All right, so we are looking at it, and let me tell you another important thing. We will take a look at total 2. So here we have an important structure in making, and if total 2 keep on maintaining this support, then eventually it will go and it will, if it breaks this blue resistance, which it has been getting rejected so many times. So if it can break this, then in alts, and definitely you will see something big. All right, Ethereum is still not going good, so you will see all alts to go big. All right, so this is what we see. But if this support doesn't hold, then a lot of bleeding, the uh, alts has not worked the way BTC has worked. So this is very important for the alts. So many positions in the long term are in alts. So we hope that soon the bull market for this alt season will soon start. All right, where BTC is right now, the alts should have been at a very good point, but they are not. So eventually, but we are bullish. Eventually, it will go and show some wonders, and we are very hopeful about this. All right, so this is a short update, and Bitcoin is in front of us. We are looking at it, and we are right now we are not providing any trade in our premium server because this is not the time. We are spot traders, so if we this is not the time to provide trades. And if you have to hit your stop loss, then what is the purpose of giving trade? So this is not the right time. Saving your capital is the most important thing, is our motto. Save your capital so you can actually take big profits in coming days. All right, we will conclude this video here, and you can join our Discord. We are providing some quality setups and trades there, and you can actually take a lot of other benefits, Bitcoin analysis, and a lot of things are going on. So right on our YouTube, we are providing basically learning content, so you can see and start building up your analysis techniques and your trading techniques with the crypto market. All right, so we'll conclude this video and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.